Welcome back to another video from skiboatpartsonline.com. This is Ron, and this is going to be part 2, taking a look at this American Skier Deco Edition, taking a look around the interior and checking her out to see what we're going to be getting into. The interior on this boat is, well, shot. It has been replaced once before, probably by a local shop. The striping on the interior is a little different than the original, and it's not the right color. The passenger seat, we will be upgrading that to the 2000 style with a one-piece seat in back and bottom. The rear seat we will also be replacing with a 2000 style rear seat. Obviously the carpets are shot. Electrically, I believe we're going to be replacing all the instruments and the wire harnesses from the engine to the front, and we'll be rating the ski boat parts room for this boat. Motor box hinges, these are also, both of them are broken. They're going to have to be replaced. It's minor stuff. That is a water line. This boat has had a substantial amount of water in it a time or two in its life. Obviously the side combing panel is also shot. Like I said, obviously the carpet is shot on this boat. So where the carpet is completely bare, we did a quick core sample. These boats have composite floors. Took a 1.5-inch hole saw, bored a hole through the floor into the flotation foam cavity between the stringers. That's important. Don't drill into the top of the stringers. And then took the foam out and took a quick look at that to see what the condition was. And we did, I think, 3 different core areas. In all of them, the foam came out and we squished a good bit of water out of the foam. So the foam is saturated and it's going to need to be replaced as well. The good thing is this boat does have a original windshield that's intact. The frame on it is pitted and needs to be refinished. So we'll be very careful when we deal with this windshield. Opening the hatch, we find a very tired and well-used Ford 351 Windsor. The owner does know that a couple of the cylinders are low on compression. It does run, but it's not running right. He is open for either rebuilding this engine or perhaps looking at something a little newer, maybe a little fuel injected, maybe some kind of a bow tie on the valve covers. We'll see. So stay tuned.